Today in court, a hearing unfolded that left everyone stunned. A man facing the full consequences of his past choices, a judge who doesn't hold back, and an intense confrontation that exposes the harsh realities of life, responsibility, and the legal system. From missed appointments to broken promises, you'll see emotions run high, tough truths being confronted, and one person's future hanging by a thread. This isn't just another court session. It's raw, real, and completely gripping. Stay tuned, because what happens in the next few minutes will shock you and make you question what you would do in his place.
Morning, Mr. Coates.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Iffy.
You're here because we had to issue a warrant.
Yes, sir.
It's the only way we get to see you. We asked you to do things. You told us you were going to do things. Promised us you were going to do things. Yet,
Half that reasoning is on my aunt because she is my ride to most of these things. And she couldn't help me out. I got into it with her, with my sister, over some money issues. Because remember when I was working at Dave's? So after that, she was like, you got to leave, because she wasn't trying to hear nothing I was saying. And I wasn't being disrespectful.
I wouldn't want to either. But
But
it looks like you're already starting to blame everybody else.
I'm not like,
But you are.
yes, sir.
You know, at the end of the day, it's all
On me.
on you. When you have the heart, when you have the will, you can do damn near anything. If you really wanted to, you could find a bus, you could call a friend, you know, you could take an Uber.
It's hard when you're watching two kids, sir, and working. I was watching two kids, my baby brother and the kid that's mine but not mine. And I'm working. And also, we had a deal on me doing my GED. I was working on that. There is proof for that. Literally.
We don't have proof of anything.
The other lawyer, that other lady that was in here, I forgot her name, but she was seeing somebody else. That was my first court-appointed lawyer. She has that proof. She showed y'all that the first time.
That was before you got on probation, dude. You're supposed to continue with it.
Before I got on probation, I thought I was on deferred. This was while I was on deferred. The deferred deal was, if I did that, I was getting off of that in 3 months. That's exactly what you told me, sir. I'm not lying. I'm not trying to bring nothing back. I'm not trying to argue. I understand where I'm wrong.
I get it.
You know what I
The
mean?
problem is, in this world, you're only as good as the proof that you have. If you don't have proof, you have nothing. So, you tell me this, you tell me that. I ask, and I have staff that tells me, okay, this is what he's done. This is what he's not done. He hadn't even shown up once. You didn't even show up once. Did you get your offender identification card? That's the first thing that you got to do when you even get on a deferred. You literally done nothing. So, what now? I don't know how to go forward. So what I would like to do is do a TRAS. This is an evaluation to see where we go from here.
Wednesday.
I'm going to expedite it so you don't just sit there. We have the TRAS set for Wednesday. I'd like you to talk to them to see how we go forward, and they'll give us an analysis, and they'll, talk to you, see where you are in life, what's gone on, and give us a better indication of how to go forward. But I just don't know.
I lose my job. I just found a good job. I'm learning this. What's on your table, that marble, I'm learning how to cut that and polish that. Like, it's a good job. Like, I understand I was supposed to do these things. Like, I've missed these things. And it's no apology could fix that, of course. But again, there was a lot going on in life. It's no excuse. There's no excuse to what I was supposed to do, and I knew I was supposed to do it. But it was a lot going on in life. My auntie was half the reason of me being a ride. She was my ride, and I don't have that ride. So now everywhere I do go, I do need the metro now, which is not no deal, because now I'm doing this on my own. You know what I mean? Like, I ain't got to worry about kids. I ain't got to worry about no other jobs. I really wasn't, though, sir. I really wasn't. I was having resources. I was having y'all help me out with this too. There's probably no proof there with that, but I was.
Be that as it may, I'm doing this to your ass. I'm going to try to get it done as quick as possible. I'm going to try to get the results as quick as possible to see how we go forward. Because I just don't know.
Can I have a bond?
I did set you a bond. I always set you a bond. I don't hold people at no bond. Very, very few instances can I really legally hold someone at no bond. But it would be foolish for me to just think that let you out and hope that it happens again. You know,
I
because
really don't like coming in here. You ain't gonna see me no more. I know you can't just do it because again, what I already did puts an image out on me that I'm not gonna do anything for it. Like
it's not
I understand.
It's reality. Perception is reality.
Yes, sir.
You know? So we'll set you for Wednesday. I'm not gonna set you. You want to set it for Friday? We'll set it for Friday. Hopefully, we'll have a good roadmap of how to go forward on that day. And in between, we have Sean here to help you out. You can always talk to Sean. He's great for whatever you may need. And then I'll see you back on Friday.
Judge Bond's set at what, 10,000 right now?
It's set at codes.
How long a time I'm looking at if none of this go through? A whole year. Great.
The reason I have it the amount that I do is because of his multiple non-appearances, multiple bond violations. I have at least probably 3 different times he failed to appear. As far as bond violations, I have
2 of those.
yeah, 2 bond violations. So, and now a motion to adjudicate. So I really think that just bond is appropriate as how it's set now. See you Friday.
If this intense courtroom drama had you on the edge of your seat, just wait. There's so much more coming. Every week, we bring you real-life cases, shocking confrontations, and moments that most people wouldn't believe actually happen in court. From emotional breakdowns to jaw-dropping decisions, you'll see it all, raw, unfiltered, and completely real. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell, because you don't want to miss a single episode. Trust me, what happens next will leave you speechless, and you'll want to be here for every unbelievable moment.